welcome to my channel. Today I'm talking about my last two videos, well, popular videos that I put up, and one blew me away with the views it got. You know, I would say about 80% of the viewers understood what that video was supposed to be about. Oh, by the way, I'm on the edge of Songkhla Lake, and this is it's a huge lake in the south of Thailand. You can just about see the edges all around, way off in the distance. Yeah, so this is Lempo, this area where I'm sitting here. Yeah, so it's just gone 6:30 in the morning, and the sun's just coming up, as you can see over my shoulder. It's a beautiful location. Yeah, so where was I? A good proportion of the viewers didn't quite understand the purpose of my video about Harry and Meghan, or the Thais' opinion of Harry and Meghan. It was purely supposed to be a cultural perspective of, you know, how different cultures perceive things in different ways. And it wasn't intended to be Meghan and Harry bashing. You know, that really isn't my purpose with any of my content. I don't really want to just go out and say bad things about people. That's really not what I'm about, and it's certainly not what my channel's about. So yeah, I think a lot of people got the wrong end of the stick with that one. But I guess, you know, like the percentages, I would say about 80%, they got the gist of what that video was about. And to the extent where they were even contributing their own cultural opinion, you know, and how they feel about the same situation from their particular culture. And that was brilliant. That was really exactly what I was after. You know, I was so happy about that. But at the same time, about 20% didn't catch on. You know, they just thought it was about bashing Meghan and Harry, and that really wasn't what that video was intended for. And out of that 20%, 10% were relatively polite about it, but the other 10% really weren't. And I guess adjusting, because you're always going to get the naysayers, you know, that's always going to happen. I just got to get used to it, I suppose. You know, I think integration, this is really what I want to promote with my videos. Integration, cultural integration. Because we have to do it. I have to do it. You know, I came to this country a long time ago, and I had to integrate. I mean, this country is about integration. If you're not from this country and you want to live here, then you have to integrate. You know, it's on you to do that. Now, who am I to say that's right or wrong? It's not my say at all. You know, I wanted to live here, so I did my best to integrate. And over 30 years, I think I've, you know, got somewhere already. I'm not 100% there, and I'm not sure I ever will be. But it's on me. You know, I have to integrate. And if a country has a very long and traditional and respected culture, you know, they don't want to change. Who am I to come here and say, oh, you know, you should be doing this, you should be behaving like this? That really isn't me. You know, that would be completely ethnocentric if I tried to do that. But I must say, in the past, it's, you know, these thoughts do get into your head. You know, like even now, you know, I can't deny it. You know, when I'm using the roads and things like that, I'm always thinking, you know, why can't these people drive? You know, why can't they follow the rules, and why aren't the rules enforced? It's not my right to come here and say that and tell these people to change. So it's their country. You know, they live like this, and they're happy to live like this. You know, regulations, rules and regulations, a lot of people could say, you know, when you make a comparison, you could say that the Western countries are over-regulated, which, yeah, I would go along with that. You know, I think there's probably a large element of truth in that. But here, it's not, and it's not enforced either. You know, there are rules and regulations, but they're not enforced. So, you know, it's kind of a free-for-all. But people are happy. You know, they're very happy here. And that's a good thing. You know, happiness is a very important part of life, you know, as the Thais believe. And yeah, I go along with that. Anyway, that's all for today. Thanks very much for listening, and see you again.